Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your theme in Expert option. You can easily switch between light and dark mode to make trading easier on your eyes on Expert option application. First of all, launch open Expert option app on your device and log in if you haven't already. From the home page, which looks like this, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the bottom left corner. From this page, you'll see your settings menu. Tap on the theme option and select between system, dark or light. Choose any one mode you'd like to change to. If you select dark, then it'll bring out a dark background that is easier on eyes at night or in low light. If you choose light, you'll be able to change your application's interface to lighter color. If you choose system, then this matches your phone's or your device's system-wide theme. Just make your selection and you'll be able to change your theme right away. So there you have it. That's how you successfully change the theme in the Expert option app. Now your trading screen matches your preferred lighting and comfort. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.